Today I'm bringing you the ultimate guide to the entire Insta360 GO Ultra accessory ecosystem. We're going to cover everything from power solutions and mounting to protection and cinematic tools. Whether you're just getting your GO Ultra or you're looking to upgrade your setup, this video covers everything you need to know. We have a ton of gear to get through, so let's get into it. And make sure you stick around to the end because I've saved what I think is the single best, most game-changing accessory for the GO Ultra for last. Let's start with the unsung heroes of any camera kit, the accessories that keep you powered up and make your life easier. First up is the GO Ultra charging base. This is a simple but crucial piece of kit. It's a dedicated, weighted, non-slip dock that charges your standalone GO Ultra camera unit via a USB-C port. For creators who are out shooting all day and might have multiple camera units or just want a dedicated charging spot on their desk, this is a must-have to ensure you're always ready to go. But this is also now a way for you to continually power your unit on the magnet mount and shooting at the same time. Simply brilliant. Maybe if you're using pre-record on your fishing trip or even for an overnight Starlapse shoot. Next we have the mini power handle. This is a brilliant two-in-one device. It's a comfortable, ergonomic grip for getting stable handheld shots, but more importantly, it houses a built-in 4,500 milliamp hour battery. It plugs directly into your GO Ultra's action pod and significantly extends your shooting time, perfect for those really long vlogging days or when you're far from an outlet. It's essentially a power bank with a handle and a built-in tripod too, and I'm here for it. But you will need the quick release mount for your GO Ultra to attach to it. More on that in just a minute. Since the GO Ultra now has a removable micro SD card, you need an efficient way to manage your footage. This tiny device is a high-speed card reader with USB-C connector, so you can quickly transfer your files to your Android phone, iPhone, or computer at high speed. You can even read two cards simultaneously, viewing one card's footage whilst transferring another. It doubles up as a protective case for up to 6 memory cards, keeping them safe and organized, and it can even act as an extension to your phone's video recording capacity and capture 4K 60 ProRes videos, and it can even magnetically attach via MagSafe too. It's an elegant solution to real-world problems and not just for your GO Ultra. Now let's talk about the gear that elevates your footage from just a good shot to something truly cinematic. First, the GO Ultra ND filter set. If you've seen my video on ND filters, you'll know how crucial these are. They allow you to lock your shutter speed to the 180-degree rule on bright sunny days, which is the secret to achieving that beautiful natural motion blur you see in movies. This set of ND 8, 16 and 32 filters in a protective case is, in my opinion, an absolutely essential purchase for anyone serious about getting the best possible cinematic motion blur video quality from their GO Ultra. But these are also a great way to get better colors and prevent overexposure when shooting long exposures at night. Not for everyone, but if you need it, you can now get it. Next is the Insta360 Mic Air. We've talked about this before, but it's purpose built for this ecosystem. The GO Ultra's ability to connect to Bluetooth mics is a game changer, and the Mic Air is the perfect native companion. It's incredibly tiny at just 7.9 grams, delivers crisp 48 kilohertz audio, and features one-touch noise reduction. For vloggers, interviewers, or anyone who values clean dialogue, this is the key to making your videos sound as good as they look. Mind you, the native mics are pretty good. Just check out my recent vlogs using the GO Ultra in Shanghai to see and hear for yourself. Now, the GO Ultra is designed to go everywhere, so you need to protect your investment. The most basic and essential item is the GO Ultra screen protector. The Action Pod's beautiful 2.5-inch flip screen is your main interface, and the last thing you want is a scratch on it. This is a simple, inexpensive way to keep your screen pristine. For water lovers, we have two crucial accessories. First is the GO Ultra dive case. This is a rugged, purpose-built housing that makes your GO Ultra waterproof down to a serious 60 meters or 197 feet. It's optically designed with hydrophobic and scratch-resistant coatings and a special glass lens to ensure your underwater footage is clear and distortion-free. But for surface-level activities, you need the GO Ultra Aqua Lens. This is a special lens specifically designed for high-definition underwater shots, but you won't need to use this alongside the dive case. This already has that specialized glass lens included. Okay, next, the mounting solutions deep dive. This is the heart of the GO series ecosystem. Let's break down the huge range of mounting options. Your foundation is the quick release mount. This is the small but mighty base plate that attaches attaches to the bottom of your action pod. It features a dual design magnet plus buckle locking design with an angled 2-prong action mount adapter. You can use it to attach to the camera unit by itself too, or whilst it's nestled in the action pod. Quickly attachable and detachable too. For higher impact situations, you have the Go Ultra Action Mount. This is a simple 2-prong adapter that fully encapsulates your camera unit, and it's super lightweight too. For static shots, there's the Go Ultra Pivot Stand. This is the evolution of the sticky mount. It's a small stand with a reusable adhesive base that you can stick anywhere, dashboards, walls, shelves, and it features a ball head to allow you to pivot and angle the camera perfectly. If the adhesive gets dirty, just wash it to restore the stickiness. Screw off the vertical part and it has a 1/4 inch screw mount for more mounting options, and you can easily change their angle with that adjustable ball joint. To be honest though, it's a bit disappointing this isn't included in the package with the camera, but it is a really good accessory to get in your kit. You can also get a 10-pack of Go Ultra sticky tabs to stick anywhere and instantly get a new shooting angle. These are single-use disposable accessories designed to solve any tricky problems you might have, but you don't really want to invest in a permanent bit of kit. For mounting on bars, branches, or other irregular objects, you have the Go Ultra Flexi Strap Mount. This is a durable, flexible strap with a quick release base that you can wrap around and tighten onto almost any object, like your bike's handlebars, a tree branch, or a railing. This gives you a secure mounting point where others won't work. You also get a quick release mount in this package, so it might deliver a bit of extra value here and save you from doubling up purchases. It's great for your other cameras that can be attached to 2-prong action mounts too. For wearing the camera, there's the new Go Ultra Easy Clip headband. This is a comfortable, adjustable headband that allows you to use the magnetic Easy Clip for a secure first-person point of view without needing to wear a hat, but you can do that too. I mean, personally, I kind of need the sun cover of a hat. For a fun effect, there's the Toddler Titan Kit. It features a special micro lens guard to create a special effect to capture all your kids' emotions and facial expressions up close and in high detail by clipping the camera to your child's cap. And finally, one of the most simple options is the Go Ultra Flexi Angle Mount. This helps you get new creative angles while shooting hands-free, like when attached to your cap or your magnetic pendant mount, because you can get a 195-degree tilt range with this mount. All right, let's talk about safety and stability accessories. These are the small accessories you'll be thankful you have. First is the Go Ultra Quick Release Wrist Strap. This tethers the camera to your wrist with a very smart little one-touch buckle quick release system, giving you that extra security when you're shooting handheld in a crowd or over water maybe. Simple but effective insurance to lock in tough and swap out fast. Second is the Go Ultra Quick Release Safety Cord. This is a similar concept but designed to tether the camera to a mount using a quick release buckle system. For example, if you have the camera on a magnet mount when you're cycling, this cord acts as a backup, ensuring that if the mount fails, your camera won't go flying down the road, meaning you have to backtrack to try and find it. For stability, you have the Mini 2-in-1 Tripod 2.0. This is a classic essential accessory. It acts as a compact, comfortable handle for handheld shooting, and the legs fold out to become a sturdy little tripod for static shots or time lapses. Every creator needs one of these in their bag. You can also get a version with the mini remote, which I highly recommend, but for a remote, there's actually something even better. Let me tell you about it because we've made it to the end. I've shown you a ton of amazing accessories, but if you could only buy one to truly elevate your experience, which one should it be? For me, the single best, most game-changing accessory for the Insta360 GO Ultra is the new Ring remote. This is genius. It's a small, lightweight ring you wear on your finger that acts as a discreet Bluetooth 5.0 remote control for the camera from up to 20 meters away. This completely embodies the stay in the moment philosophy of the Go series. Instead of fumbling for the camera button using an awkward hand gesture or shouting a voice command, you can just subtly tap your finger to start and stop recording. Imagine you're cycling, running, or walking around gathering footage for a travel vlog or talking to camera. You don't have to break your rhythm or draw attention to yourself. A simple tap and you're rolling. It even has a small LED to confirm the camera's status and comes with 2 different size straps to ensure a comfortable fit on your finger. It's IPX7 splash resistant, so you can use it in the rain just fine. You can mount it on fishing rods, handlebars for bikes or scooters, and even on your selfie stick and use it with other Insta360 cameras too. It's simple, it's brilliant, and it makes using the Go Ultra a truly seamless experience. This for me is an absolute must buy. I use it way more than I thought I would, and it's connected me to using the magnet pendant mount. That and the Ring remote is my default recording setup now. There's your deep dive into the massive ecosystem of accessories for the Insta360 GO Ultra. From essential power and protection to game-changing creative tools, there's something here to elevate any creator's kit. So what is your favorite accessory? Is there one that you think is an absolute must-have? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my full Go Ultra playlist for more deep dives and reviews, and I'll see you in the next video up here.